AI publishing workflow for Amazon KDP. Stop using ChatGPT to write entire books. That's exactly why most beginners struggle on Amazon KDP. Not because AI is bad, but because they're asking it to do the wrong job. The people publishing consistently aren't sitting there typing, "Write me a bestseller." They're using AI as part of a system. And that's the difference between wasting weeks on a book nobody reads, and building a workflow you can actually repeat. Today, I'll show you the exact AI publishing workflow that's helping creators save time without sacrificing quality. And near the end, I'll show you one tool that combines several publishing tasks into one dashboard, so you can decide if it's worth adding to your workflow. Let's get into it. Quick question. How many AI tools are you using right now? 1, 3, 5. Because every extra tool means another login, another learning curve, another chance to lose momentum. Here's the first mistake almost everyone makes. They start writing before they know what readers actually want. That's backwards. Before you create anything, go where the buyers already are. Amazon. Search your niche. Open the best-selling books. Don't just read the titles. Read the reviews. That's where readers tell you exactly what's missing. Those gaps become your opportunity. Don't compete. Solve a problem better. Now don't ask AI, "Write my entire book." Instead, tell AI to become your research assistant, your outline builder, your editor, your brainstorming partner. That's where AI becomes incredibly powerful. The better your prompts, the better your results. And here's something nobody talks about. The goal isn't writing faster. The goal is publishing better books, more consistently. That's a completely different mindset. Once your outline is ready, generate one chapter at a time. Read every sentence. Remove repetition. Add examples. Improve clarity. Remember, readers don't care whether AI helped. They care whether your book helped. At this point, you've probably used 4 or 5 different tools. One for research, one for writing, another for covers, maybe another for formatting. That's why some creators prefer platforms that combine several publishing tasks into one workflow. One example is BookFlipper AI. According to the vendor, it includes AI-assisted drafting, niche research, and publishing tools inside a single dashboard. It won't publish successful books for you. But if reducing tool switching is your goal, it may be worth evaluating alongside your current workflow. Here's the truth. AI isn't replacing publishers. It's replacing repetitive work. The creators who learn that first will have a huge advantage over those chasing shortcuts. If you want to see exactly what BookFlipper AI does, what's included, where it falls short, and whether it's actually worth the price, watch my full BookFlipper AI review linked below before you buy anything. It could save you money. And more importantly, it could save you weeks of frustration. If this video helped you, subscribe, because every week I break down AI tools and workflows that help creators work smarter, publish faster, and build better online businesses. See you in the next one.